Good morning. I hope you are all fine. So, after all, back to the work. Yesterday they were. I had a uh, your UTI preparation chart with me, and which we were telling the answer, and you have to tally the answer also. Just I want to tell you a little bit. Three or four questions were in the confusion. That was question number three. Which were the main centers of excess power? Which were the main centers of excess power? जो कल हमने किया था ना, याद है? आपके यूटीआई को हमने जस्ट डिस्कस कर रहे थे. तो आंसर वाज ए, जर्मनी, इटली एंड जापान. एक्सेस पास के एक तो एक्सेस पास थी, एक एलीट पास थी. तो मैं आपको करेक्ट करवा रहा हूँ. तो जर्मनी, इटली एंड जापान था. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड नेक्स्ट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. On which date Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir signed the Treaty of Annexation? I told you what is the meaning of annexation. जब आप किसी के साथ विलय कर जाते हो अपने आप को, तो उसे एक्सेशन कहते हैं. किस डेट को हुआ था? ये हुआ था अक्टूबर 26, 1947 को. अक्टूबर 26, 1947 को जम्मू कश्मीर का भारत में विलय हुआ था. उसके बाद था क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. What is meant by Aryans of Cold War? Aryans का मतलब क्या होता है? कहाँ पे कोल्ड वॉर की उत्पत्ति हुई? उत्पत्ति कहाँ से हुई? तो आपका आंसर था ए. Aryans of Cold War means where the crisis occurred. Where the crisis occurred. तो ए पार्ट था उसका आंसर. That was question number 36. And question number 39. Which year Soviet Union disintegration took place? कौन से ईयर को सोवियत यूनियन का डिसइंटीग्रेशन हुआ था? इट टुक प्लेस इन 1991. 1991 में सोवियत यूनियन का डिसइंटीग्रेशन हुआ था, टूटा था. 15 नए टुकड़े हुए थे. देयर वाज 15 न्यू रिपब्लिक्स born from the Soviet Union itself. That happened in when 1991. It took place in 1991, and the question is B part. Question number 46. Mention any one reason for the collapse of Soviet Union. One reason. Mention any one reason for the collapse of Soviet Union. Soviet Union का collapse क्यों हुआ था? Soviet Union का collapse हुआ था because there was a lack of strong leadership. Lack of strong leadership. वहाँ पे strong leadership नहीं थी, and the answer was A. A part was the answer. ठीक है. So ये question थोड़ा सा confusion थे, which I gave it the correct answer now. And now, as I discussed, as I told you some of them, that please give me what the chapter should be. Which chapter should we start now? And the chapter is going to be alternative centers of power. Alternative centers of power. What do you mean by alternative? इसके अलावा हम कहते हैं ना ऑल्टरनेटिव सोर्स ऑफ मेडिसिन क्या है. यदि ये मेडिसिन नहीं मिल रही है, तो ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन क्या है? ऑल्टरनेटिव मीन्स इसके अलावा. So today's chapter is the fourth alternative centers of power. Now I start. Be careful. Be concentrate. After many days, we are going to have again the chapters opening. After the end of the bipolar structure of the world politics in early 1990s, it became clear that the alternative centers of political and economic power could limit America's dominance. Very important paragraph. Alternative centers पावर क्यों है? क्योंकि वो अमेरिका के बिकॉज दे वांट टू डोमिनेट, दे वांट टू लिमिट America's dominance. Because America is a superpower, so they want to limit America's dominance. Who? That's why alternative centers of power was created. Right? So dominance of America's power, they want to limit it. वो उनको कंट्रोल करना चाहते थे. Thus, in Europe, the European Union, and in Asia, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations have emerged as forces to reckon with, while evolving regional solutions to the historical enmities and weakness. Both the EU means European Union, and ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Association of Southeast Asian Nation (ASEAN) have developed alternative institutions. एक तो number one, EU, it became an alternative institution to check the dominance of America's power. Another one was ASEAN. These both two organizations were able to control and check the American supremacy. Have developed other institutions and conventions that build a more peaceful and cooperative regional order and have transformed the countries in the region into prosperous economies. The economic rise of China has made a dramatic impact on world politics. Very important sentence. देखिए एक बात बताऊं आपको. 1947, 1948, both China and India, they were on the same footpath. Meaning whatever the economic condition of China was, same economic condition of India was. Or whatever in India's economic condition, same was China's economic condition. But what was the reason that China was so ahead of India and India is still lagging behind? Still, we said it's a developing country. But China, we didn't say it's a developing and it's a developed country. Why? You think about it. The economic rise of China has made a dramatic impact. It's a dramatic impact on world politics. In this chapter, we take a look at some of these emerging alternative centers. Emerging, जिनका उत्थान हो रहा है, जो अभी सीन में, जो अभी ड्रामेटिक सीन में आ रहे हैं, who are coming up, who are newborn, right, who are emerging as alternative centers of power, right, and assess their possible role in the future. Possible role in the future. What was the possible role? Now, first of all, let me tell you European Union. There it is. European Union. पहला है जिसको it's a European Union. अब why European Union came up? European Union came again to check the rise of dominance of USA. European Union has its own currency. European Union has its own flag. European Union has its own separate organization. It tried to have separate constitution also. Let me tell you one thing. It tried to have its separate constitution also, but it was not able to success. It was not successful to have its own constitution. But rest of it was fully successful. And European Union Euro, the currency is Euro, and Euro was launched throughout the Europe. So check the presence of dollar into the Europe world market. वर्ल्ड मार्केट में डॉलर को काउंटर करने के लिए यूरोपियन यूनियन ने यूरो को लॉन्च किया. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. As the Second World War came to an end, Second World War खत्म हो गया था. I'll ask the screen here. As the Second World War came to an end, many of Europe's leaders grappled with the question of Europe. Should Europe be allowed to revert to its old rivalries or be constructed on principle and institutions that would contribute to a positive conception of international relations? The Second World War shattered many of the assumptions and structures of the European states and based their relationship. In 1945, European states confronted the ruin of their economies and the destruction of the assumptions and structures on which Europe has been founded. देखिए second world war, I'm giving you elaborated. After the second world war, Europe was absolutely shattered. Yes, the European, they were the winner. Allied powers were the winner. They just shattered the Axis power. But Germany was there. Germany was one of the richest country at that time. So, Second World War came to an end. Many European leaders grappled with the question of Europe. कि अब यूरोप का जब सेकेंड वर्ल्ड खत्म हुआ ना, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर खत्म हुआ, many of people they want to say that what will happen now, यूरोप का क्या होगा? Why you said यूरोप का क्या होगा? Because economy was shattered. Let me tell you one thing. If your economy is sound, everything is okay. You will come up again. But if its economy is shattered, anyone, any country, any continent or any home, if economy is shattered, everything is shattered. So, thus, should Europe allow to revert its old rivalries or to be reconstructed on principle and institutions that would contribute to positive conception? अब यूरोपियन यूनियन क्या करे? या दुश्मनी को निभाए? Basically, Second World War was end, but Second World War was end, but it doesn't mean that enmity was finished. Japan was coming up as one of the good part, right? Germany was there, right? So the Second World War shattered many of the assumptions and structures on which European states based upon their relation. And in 1945, Europe states confronted the ruin of the economy. 1945 के बाद उनको पता चला कि उनके इकोनॉमी का क्या हासिल हुआ. इकोनॉमी उनकी जो यूरोपियन इकोनॉमी इतनी इतनी it was so sound, it was so solid that what happened to the economy. European integration after 1945 was aided by the Cold War. Let me tell you one thing. Second World War ended. Second World War was ended 1945. The very moment your Cold War started. And 1945 to 1991. 1945 to 1991. How many years? 1991, 45, 6, 4. 46 years Cold War continued. And the effect of Cold War diminished after the disintegration of Soviet Union. Cold War बहुत कम हो गया, खत्म होने की कगार पे हो गया जब 1991 में सोवियत यूनियन का डिसइंटीग्रेट हुआ, सोवियत यूनियन टूट गया, राइट. 1945 से लेकर 1991 तक कोल्ड वॉर कंटिन्यू. America extended massive financial help for reviving Europe economy under the Marshall Plan. मार्शल प्लान में क्या था कि अमेरिका के पास डॉलर्स था एंड अमेरिका वांट टू डोमिनेट यूरोपियन कंट्रीज. So how it can dominate? When the economy was shattered, America was ready to help them out. तो अमेरिका ने डॉलर को पंप इन किया कहाँ पे? यूरोपियन यूनियन के मार्केट में, यूरोप मार्केट में. अमेरिका रेडी हो गया कि यूरोप को इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस से बचाना. वी हैव टू सेव द इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस फ्रॉम द इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस ऑफ द यूरोप. एंड व्हाट इट डिड, इट स्टार्टेड द मार्शल प्लान. What is the Marshall Plan? Marshall was the person, John Marshall. It started the Marshall Plan, and it pumped in Europe the dollars to save the Europe from the economic crisis. European integration after 1945 was aided by the Cold War, America extended massive financial help for reviving Europe's economy under the was called a Marshall Plan. The US also created a new collective security against structure against NATO and Europe, America started another US United States of America. It started another plan, a very constructive plan for Europe. It started with NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is NATO. One was Marshall Plan, one was NATO. अब NATO को आप समझिए क्या है? NATO was a military pact. NATO was a military pact. So it invited USA invited all the European countries to join NATO. It means if they join NATO, they will have a check of nuclear threat by the USSR. USSR भी अब धीरे धीरे it was getting powerful. So fear psychosis, डर अंदर का जो fear psychosis under your inner fear. They said that USSR can build against the European Union militarily. So if it wants to save from the USSR, it should come up unitedly against under the umbrella of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. America supported. America said if any NATO member countries was attacked by any other country, then NATO will think, America will think it was an attack on America. Means America ने उनको assurance दिया कि if there is an attack on any member of NATO के किसी एक member के ऊपर attack होगा, then what will happen? That America will think that it is an attack on NATO. It was an umbrella, nuclear umbrella, safety umbrella created by NATO. So a new collective security, right? Structure under NATO. Under the Master Plan, the Organization for European Economic Cooperation, OPEC, Organization for European Economic Cooperation, OC, Organization of Economic European Cooperation, was established. Organization for Economic Cooperation was established in 1948. Underline कर लीजिए sentence को, 1948 में OPEC की स्थापना हुई. In 1948, OPEC was established to channel aid to the Western European states. It became a forum where the Western European states began to cooperate on trade and economic issues. Now, European Union, they were cooperating with trade and other economic issues. To enhance your security, to enhance your economic cooperation, to enhance your military cooperation, you have to, I said everything, every word I had said cooperation. You have to cooperate with other states. Cooperate in economy, cooperate in militarily, cooperate in politics. You have to cooperate. Then only some organization is being strong. It became a forum where the Western European states began to cooperate on trade and economic issues. The Council of European established in 1949. Council of European Council was established in 1949, and it was another step forward in political cooperation. Why said political cooperation? Basically there are three types of cooperation in world arena. One is political cooperation, one is military cooperation, one is economic cooperation. In these three points, an umbrella was there in which everyone is being safeguarded. The process of economic integration of European capitalist countries. Process was started to integrate European capitalist country. What do you mean by European capitalist country? जो basically capitalism पे Europe also was divided in two sectors. One is socialist European. Socialism पे जो believe करते थे, we call it Eastern European countries. One is Western European countries. Means capitalism पे believe करते थे. Means America के सिद्धांतों पे principles of America they believe. Basically, they believe on economic cooperation, privatization, process of economic integration of European capitalist countries proceed by step, right? And this timeline was European Economic Community. When it completely they integrated with each other, every capitalist country of Europe, they integrated with each other and they put a name European Economic Community. European Economic Community. Not they were not countries, they were communities. Look how they integrated themselves. Now they will not, you know, introduce themselves as a separate country. They said we are maybe separate country, but we belong to same community, European Economic Community. When it would happen, it happened in 1957. Right. So this process acquired a political dimension with the creation of European Parliament. Creation of European Parliament, they started another parliament. I told you, Euro has its own parliament, Euro has its own flag, Euro has its own currency. Euro means, पूरा Europe integrated हो चुका था. यूरोपियन कंट्री वॉज इंटीग्रेटेड, एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ चुके थे और उनको हाउ दे आर बीइंग इंटीग्रेटेड, दे आर बीइंग इंटीग्रेटेड विद वन फ्लैग, यूरो फ्लैग, one currency, euro currency, right? One community, Euro community means European community, right? So the collapse of the Soviet bloc. Now I told you 1991. I told you now when the Cold War was ended in 1991, when disintegration of Soviet Union happened, right after continued with 46 years, right? So the collapse of the Soviet bloc put Europe on a fast track and resulted in the establishment of European Union 1992. Just imagine period. 1991 disintegration of Soviet Union, 1991 disintegration of Soviet Union, 1992 establishment of European Union. It means they knew heart in heart. European people, European countries, European Union, they knew heart in heart that today or tomorrow the Union is going to disintegrate. Soviet Union disintegrate hoga hi hoga. And next year they didn't wait very much. They started their own establishment, European Union, and European Union was established in 1992. The foundation thus laid for a common the foundation here, I enlarge no. The foundation was thus laid for a common foreign and security policy. Underline key the sentence. You should have your book along with your mobile. You should have your book and your pencil. Look, I'm not watching you, but I can, guide you. To be guided or not, it's your own wish. पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ना ये आपको अपने ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? तो जैसे कह रहा हूँ उसे कर लो, दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. The foundation was thus laid for a common foreign policy and security policy. right? And that is cooperation on justice and home affairs. I said integrated. Integrated in home affairs. One European country is integrated with another country. So it was a web. Web. जिससे जाल बुन ली जाती है, जाल बुनी जाती है, मकड़ी की जाला बुना जाता है, बुनते हैं. So same, it was a web of European community. They were integrated with one another. They were integrated with, their market policy, their economic policy, their business policy, their political policy, their political establishment, and militarily also, just like NATO. ये एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ चुके थे. That was European Union. That's why Union was there, right? So European Union, 1992, when it was established, 1992. After that, 1 year of disintegration of Soviet Union. They were waiting that Soviet Union should be disintegrated and they should come up as a full force, as a strong economic power, strong political power, strong military power. आपको अब पता है कि कुछ दिन पहले बात से घटना है. It was earlier, कुछ दिन पहले, just few days ago, they were thinking, NATO was thinking that it should include, India. But India is a non-aligned country. They didn't align. But if European Union wants that India should join them, because they knew that Indian market is one of the strong market of the world. If they want to challenge China, they have to give lot of boost to Indian economy. पढ़ा करो, न्यूज़पेपर देखा करो, पढ़ा करो उसको. Nobody, you don't read, go for the newspaper. Okay, I have to tell, I am telling you. After some time, I will not tell you also. The foundation was thus laid for a common foreign policy, security policy, cooperation policy, and justice and home affairs. And the create of single currency. I told you euro currency. It was a single currency. So the European Union has evolved over time from an economic union to an increasingly political one. European Union से वो politics पे आ गए, and politically it was a very strong. The US started to act more as nation state. What do you mean by nation state? Nation state means European Union was behaving as a combined nation of many nations. Structure of nations, structure of nations. So while the attempt to have constitution for the European have failed, I told you that they have everything, but European Union was not able to have its own constitution. So while the attempts to have a constitution for the European Union have failed, right? It has its own flag, own anthem, own anthem, and own currency, own founding date, and from common foreign security policy to dealing with other nations. And currency, it has also some form of common foreign and security policy dealing with other states. इनके अपने प्रिंसिपल्स हैं दूसरे स्टेट के साथ कैसे डील करना है. European Union has tried to expand areas of cooperation and acquiring new members. New members जो जुड़ते गए इनके साथ. And they welcome the Soviet bloc also. Tomorrow I will tell you about why they were going to welcome Soviet bloc. And the process has not proved easy, for people in many countries are not very enthusiastic in giving the European powers and were exercised by the government of their own country. Now, when you are going to do something, your opposition has to be there. The European Union has also its opposition. Many countries, they are opposed, that they don't want to be mingled with the European Union. They have some country want to have its own identity, अपनी आइडेंटिटी को खोना नहीं चाहते थे, तो उन्होंने यूरोपियन यूनियन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, right? So powers that were exercised by the government and their country, there are also reservation about including some new countries within the European Union. And many European Union were saying that we should have a cluster of nations, solid economic background. दूसरे countries को अब उनको लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. We are fair and strong now, right? So it was European Union. Tomorrow I will continue with the next part also of same. So you revise the chapter, whatever I have done with you about the European Union. And if I say that please write down a comprehensive essay on European Union, so you should write down in your copy. You should write down in your copy, right? Okay, till then, you take care of yourself and you continue with this part, European Union, revise it again. If any difficulty, do let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.